A great routine to have at the beginning of every mowing season is to spray the underside of your mower and the blade with silicone spray or a non-stick mower spray. This is going to help prevent the buildup of grass and dirt. If you have a metal deck, it's also going to help prevent corrosion. If you use a mulcher, that buildup of grass can actually change the airflow and make your mulcher less efficient. Put the mower on its side. If you have a gas mower, remove the wire from the spark plug. And for most mowers, if it's gas, you want the spark plug side up and the dipstick side down, but check your manual, there are some variations. Clean the deck and the blade thoroughly first, and then you're going to use your spray underneath the deck and on the blade. And then just wipe it evenly with a rag. Allow it to fully dry before you use it.